pharma stocks that are on the news in today's trading session. Ekta is busy as always. She's joining in to give us a complete roundup of all the headlines coming in from that space. Ekta, over to you.
Thanks for that. Well, I'll start with the big deal that is on the anvil. We are picking up from our sources that Fortis, the deal with TPG is likely to be announced this or next week, where they're going to look to buy around 20 to 22% stake for around 2,000 to 2,300 crores in Fortis or the holding company. They will also get board representation. Moving on, Dr. Reddy spoke at the JPM conference, and a couple of takeaways from the conference include that all commitments as a part of the warning letter which had been issued to 3 plants in December 2015 have been completed, and in fact we can expect an audit in the first quarter of 2017. Now moving on, even Glenmark presented at the JPM conference, and they said that they've in fact provided guidance where they've said that the revenue growth could be around 15 to 20% CAGR over the next 5 years, and operating margins could possibly scale up to 20 to 23% from FY18 onwards. Remember, this fiscal, we're going to see the margins benefit because of Zetia generic as well. Now, interestingly, Ipca Labs, in a very one-off conversation, spoke to CNBC TV 18. They said that the remediation of the 2 formulation facilities or plants has already been completed. It is only third-party consultants which are now completing some amount of verification process, which is expected to be done by March of 2017. And for the Ratlam facility, the remediation is expected to be completed by Q1 of FY18, which is of the next fiscal. Remember, all 3 of their plants have been under import alert all the way back since 2015. And lastly, Daiichi Sankyo, not listed, but there is an update, important update, where they will be shutting down their research subsidiary in India, and they're reviewing their global R&D system with the aim of decreasing their R&D operational costs. So that's a bit of news coming in from the global space impacting India as well.